Welcome, today in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the home screen and lock screen section. Here you will see the always on display, tap here once, and now just to activate AOD feature, click once on the switcher, and that's it. After that we can here just change the styles, but we can here also set a shadow time from 2, for example, or just if you don't want to do that, you can just turn off this feature. And now when we lock our device, you can see that the always on display feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.